Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping straight into American automotive royalty with a true icon that defined late 1950s style and swagger, the 1958 Chevrolet Impala, finished in a stunning yellow exterior with a rich brown interior. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of history, a symbol of optimism, excess, and pure design confidence from a golden era of Detroit. The '58 Impala arrived at a time when cars weren't shy, when chrome was king, fins were dramatic, and every drive felt like an event. So buckle up, because this long review dives deep into the design, the cabin, the performance, and today's market value of one of the most recognizable classics ever built. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior, because honestly, this is where the 1958 Chevrolet Impala absolutely steals the show. The yellow paint on this car feels like bottled sunshine. Bright, joyful, and unapologetically bold. In the late 50s, colors weren't muted or subtle, and this shade of yellow perfectly captures that carefree American spirit. The body itself is massive and wide, sitting low and long, with proportions that scream confidence. Up front, the Impala's face is unforgettable. Quad headlights dominate the front end, framed by heavy chrome bezels that sparkle under the light. The grille is wide, aggressive, and deeply chromed, almost looking like a piece of jewelry stretched across the nose. The hood is long and flat, giving the car a commanding presence, while subtle sculpting adds depth without overcomplicating the design. Move to the side, and the iconic '58 Chevrolet styling really shines. Sweeping chrome trim runs along the body, accentuating the length and guiding your eye from front to rear. The fins are dramatic but still elegant, rising proudly above the rear quarters without feeling cartoonish. Those fins weren't just design flair, they were a statement of the era, and the Impala wore them better than almost anyone else. Around the back, the signature triple taillights on each side instantly confirmed this car's identity. Few rear designs in automotive history are as recognizable as the Impala's 6 taillights glowing red at night. Add in the wide chrome bumper and sculpted trunk lid, and the rear end feels just as special as the front. Overall, the yellow 1958 Chevrolet Impala isn't just eye-catching, it's unforgettable. Interior. Step inside, and you're transported straight into late 1950s luxury, Chevrolet style. The brown interior adds warmth and sophistication, perfectly balancing the bright yellow exterior. This cabin feels welcoming, stylish, and surprisingly upscale for its time. The dashboard is a masterpiece of vintage design. Sweeping metal surfaces, chrome accents, and a symmetrical layout make it feel more like a lounge than a cockpit. The speedometer stretches across the dash in a horizontal layout, glowing softly when illuminated, while simple, easy-to-read gauges provide all the information a driver needed in 1958. The steering wheel is large and thin, finished with chrome details and a classic horn ring that instantly feels nostalgic in your hands. It's not sporty by modern standards, but it perfectly matches the Impala's relaxed cruising personality. Bench seats dominate the space, wide enough to comfortably seat multiple passengers, wrapped in period-correct materials that emphasize comfort over aggressive bolstering. The brown upholstery continues throughout the door panels and rear seating area, tying the entire cabin together in a warm, cohesive look. Space is another standout feature. The Impala was built for comfort and social driving, meaning plenty of legroom, headroom, and shoulder space. This was a car meant for road trips, date nights, and family outings, and you can feel that philosophy the moment you sit inside. It's less about isolation and more about shared experience, something modern cars sometimes forget. Performance. Now let's talk performance, because while the 1958 Chevrolet Impala wasn't designed to be a sports car, it certainly had the muscle to back up its bold looks. Under the hood, buyers back in the day could choose from a range of engines, including inline-6 options and powerful V8s. The most desirable versions came equipped with Chevrolet's legendary small-block V8s, delivering smooth, effortless power. Acceleration by modern standards might feel relaxed, but in its era, the Impala felt strong and confident. That V8 rumble is deep and satisfying, providing a soundtrack that perfectly matches the car's personality. Power delivery is smooth rather than aggressive, making this car ideal for cruising long highways or gliding through city streets. The ride quality is where the Impala truly shines. Thanks to its long wheelbase and soft suspension setup, it floats over imperfections in the road. You don't drive this car aggressively, you guide it. Steering is light, almost effortless, and while there's noticeable body roll in corners, that's part of the charm. This car was built for comfort, not corner carving. Braking performance reflects its age, requiring more planning and anticipation compared to modern vehicles. But when driven as intended, the Impala feels stable, composed, and enjoyable. It's a reminder of a time when driving was about the journey, not just the destination. Behind the wheel, the 1958 Chevrolet Impala feels like an event. You sit high, surrounded by a sea of chrome and expansive glass, with excellent visibility in all directions. Every stoplight turns into a mini car show, with heads turning and smiles appearing as people recognize this classic icon. The yellow exterior draws attention instantly, while the calm, comfortable interior keeps the driving experience relaxed. This is the kind of car that encourages slow cruising, scenic routes, and enjoying the moment. It doesn't rush you, it invites you to take your time. Prices. When it comes to pricing, the 1958 Chevrolet Impala has firmly established itself as a valuable and desirable classic. Prices vary widely depending on condition, originality, engine choice, and restoration quality. A project or driver quality Impala can start around $35,000 to $50,000, while well-restored examples typically range between $70,000 and $100,000. Fully restored, show-quality models or rare configurations can climb well beyond that, especially if they feature desirable V8 engines and period-correct details. The yellow exterior with a brown interior adds extra appeal, as unique color combinations often attract collectors looking for something special. Beyond monetary value, the real worth of a 1958 Impala lies in its presence and legacy. This car represents a defining moment in American automotive history, making it a solid investment for collectors and a dream machine for enthusiasts. The 1958 Chevrolet Impala isn't just a classic car, it's a cultural icon. From its bold yellow exterior to its comfortable brown interior, from its smooth V8 performance to its unforgettable styling, this car captures everything that made the late 1950s such a magical time for automobiles. It's not about speed or technology. It's about style, confidence, and emotion. If you're lucky enough to own or drive one, you're not just driving a car, you're driving history. And honestly, few classics deliver that feeling as perfectly as the 1958 Chevrolet Impala. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep cruising in style.